Hello gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will unbox another Debenhams mystery goodie bag. This time we have a goodie bag filled only with skincare products samples. By the size I can say that is a bit bigger than the previous one and feels heavier. If you want to see what's inside, stay with me. First we have a sample from MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance All Day Hydrating Spray plus Vitamin C. This is a facial mist that will moisturize, hydrate and boost radiance. We found it in a previous goodie bag too. Okay. Next we find a sample from Givenchy Anti-Stress Velvet Moisturizing Cream. This is a moisturizing cream made from 97% natural ingredients. This sounds great. Here is a sample from Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base All-in-One Primer and Moisturizer. I'm so happy that I will try this cream primer. I heard a lot of good things about it. Next is a sample from Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion. Just listen. Reveal skin youthful, angelic glow. Sounds promising. We will see that. Here is a sample from Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. From this brand I tried an eye serum and was pretty good. Filorga Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. To be honest, is a good cream. It has a rich formula, it moisturizes the skin pretty well, but is fragranced badly. I had a feeling that I was applying perfume to my skin, and this isn't something that I like. I'm not against fragrance in skincare, but in this cream it's just too much. Next we have a new hyaluronic acid ceramide capsules from Elizabeth Arden. We found them in a previous goodie bag from Debenhams too, and I already tried them and they are lovely. They have such a nice formula that absorbed easily into the skin and the skin feels smooth, soft and moisturized. Love them. Here is a sample from Clinique Moisture Surge Intense 72 hours lipid replenishing hydrator. As far as I know, this is a new cream from Clinique. Well, Moisture Surge range from Clinique isn't my favorite. I tried it in the past and wasn't good for my skin. And the last sample that we have is from Guerlain Youth Watery Oil. Replumps, smooths and illuminates the skin. This serum is on my wish list. I hope we will meet soon. Here are all the product samples found inside. To be honest, I'm delighted with the content of this goodie bag. If you tried any of these products, let me know your opinion about them in the comment section down below. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.